Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn lines and angles together step by step. This chapter is all about angles formed by lines. We'll classify angles, study special pairs, see what happens when a line crosses parallel lines, and prove that the angles of a triangle always add to 180 degrees. Angles are named by their size. Less than 90 degrees is acute. Exactly 90 is a right angle. Between 90 and 180 is obtuse. 180 is a straight angle, and more than that is reflex. Two angles adding to 90 degrees are complementary. Adding to 180, supplementary. Angles on a straight line form a linear pair summing to 180. And vertically opposite angles made by two crossing lines are always equal. Suppose two angles 3x and 2x form a linear pair. Their sum is 180, so 5x equals 180, giving x equal to 36. The angles are therefore 108 degrees and 72 degrees. When a transversal cuts two parallel lines, three key facts hold. Corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, and co-interior angles on the same side add up to 180 degrees. If one angle made by the transversal is 70 degrees, then its corresponding and alternate interior partners are also 70. The co-interior angle on the same side must complete 180, so it is 110 degrees. Inside any triangle, the three angles always add to 180 degrees. And an exterior angle equals the sum of the two interior angles opposite to it, a very handy result. If two angles of a triangle are 50 and 60 degrees, the third is 180 minus their sum. 180 minus 110 gives 70 degrees. To recap, linear pairs and co-interior angles sum to 180, vertically opposite and alternate angles are equal, the angles of a triangle total 180, and an exterior angle equals the two opposite interior angles. Great work! Great work? Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.